Hi guys, so in this video we gonna discuss on that how to speak the English, the consistency. Because of there are so many people the speaking the English communication skills the on and off. But the put on the effort the every day at least 2 to 10 minutes, so at least that is the fine in my opinion. Because of so many people are skipping the day. If you speaking the English, it is the perfect. So they are thinking. In my opinion, yeah, that is a myth. Because of if you trying to speak, if you made a mistake, after that you learn that new word or how to say. If you made any mistake after yeah, I get that mistake. So I am learned that. So hereafter, yeah, try to speak the English, the daily conversation, some with your friends, or speak with some of the platform AI. The in this world, on time, there are a lot of the platform there, like the ChatGPT and the Gemini. Like in my around, it is some noises there, so please adjust that. Because of I am living at the city for temporarily, so take some time. Because of I am beginner also. If I upcoming session I will improve on that. Because of I am trying to wait on here some much is going. So I am also trying to be a consistency. Because of the before the 1 month I am also speaking the every day, but after some time I skip some days. Because of I have the low confidence and something. So I decided to think I take that video put on my YouTube channel. That is a makes helpful for me and the some of the people also. Hereafter we can have together the learning the English. Because of the consistency is the key. Also, how to say, if you have the environment, you can easily speaking something different. Yeah. For example, if you have any friends or the close one, you can speak the English. Yeah, they are supported. But if you haven't anything, you are alone. But you try to speak in your mind, or it is a thing. But the every person thinking, yeah, if I speak English, it's a perfect needed. So in this world, everyone not, initially they're not perfect. After that, there are the learning English. After that, there are made a mistake initially. After that, there are a lot of strugglings like stage fear or something else. They are doing well. After that, there are learning English communication skills, how to speak, how to the conversation with someone. It is that. So the hereafter, how to say, at least 5 minutes you can speak with the English with the ChatGPT and the Gemini. A lot of the platform also there in this real world application. And also, if you need the conversation with me, please let me know in the comment section. I will arrange that one-on-one session. Because of if you take that one-on-one session, like it's a free like free the conversation build. Yeah, that is make video for upload my YouTube channel also. So if you are interested anyone, please let me know in the comment section. I will arrange that one meeting or Google Meet or something meet. I will arrange it. We gonna discuss on that, like how to speak, how to learn. So it is makes helpful for the someone like new beginner also watching. So in this video we gonna discuss on that not being a perfect, like be perfect, like how to, if you the consistently, if you speaking, it is easily the game move for your the knowledge in your opinion. So please, the consistently is the key matter. Sometimes if you have any work or something like that, you are skipping. Otherwise, you don't skip. If you speaking the daily, you can easily achieve it in your opinion. So how to say, so in this video we are going to discuss on that. So thank you for the watching this full video. If you like any I made a mistake, please let me know in the comment section. I will improve on that. So thank you for supporting also. So goodbye, we're gonna see you later in the next video. Okay, thank you for that. Bye.